चलो. Hello everybody and welcome to Mumbai Bike Diaries, and today I have a very unique video. I have the VLF Mobster 135, which is claimed to be the fastest 125cc scooter in India. Holy shit, it is fast. It is fast, not gonna lie. So with the VLF Mobster 135 you get a 125cc engine that provides around 12 bhp, 12 horsepower on a scooter, pretty good, and 11.7 newton meters of torque. And you get a handlebar that's like the bike's motorcycle handlebar, lovely. And honestly it is quite a motorcycle position right now sitting. बहुत interesting है, अलग है. And I'll do a quick walk around now in 2 minutes once we get to the left side of the road. Alright, hello everybody, and let's have a quick walk around of the bike. And first of all, the front looks like it is the S1000RR, the sports bike, and एकदम ऐसे इसको हेडलाइट दिया है इन्होंने, एकदम सेम है, मतलब सामने से S1000RR लगती है. देखो गाड़ी को, looks beautiful, looks very nice. Has a very sporty look to it. This is what the tail light looks like. Tail light looks like that. Quite bulky on the rear, looks quite sporty. This is the first time I've seen such a sporty looking. ये तो मुझे 300cc की कोई बाइक्स है ना, जैसा RTR Apache की, वैसी एग्जॉस्ट लग रही है मेरे को दिखने में. And you get a visor as stock with the scooter, which is pretty good. Nowadays mirrors, I don't know man, these mirrors look pretty shit to me. Could have given sportier mirrors. Mirrors are pretty meh. And seat comfort is pretty good, it's very comfortable. For the pillion also decently comfortable, but जब आप इधर बैठ रहे हो ना, so there is that, you know, you feel that little bump for the pillion seat, but honestly it's quite comfortable. Sitting position is a bit on the aggressive side. You are sitting a bit ahead. Kind of reminds me of the Aerox and the Zoom, Hero Zoom, quite similar. This handlebar in bronze looks very top notch, top quality, amazing. Let's switch on the scooty and look at the screen. So let's look at the screen. You get a TFT screen out here. Says VLF Mobster, RPM meter, fuel, claim mileage about 45 to 46 kmpl, काफ़ी अच्छा mileage है, ऐसा लोग निकाल पा रहे हैं. Bluetooth connectivity is available. You do get dark mode, light mode. You can adjust the brightness of the screen, and you can switch on TCS. Can I switch off traction control? Okay, let's get on the road. Bike starts very silently. Nice bassy exhaust note, and let's go. Pickup is pretty good, yeah, very nice. Bike feels very stable. Brakes are top notch. A bit on the, अभी नई गाड़ी है तो थोड़ी ज़्यादा ही responsive और reactive है. Lovely, crosses into the 40s and 50s very quickly, very easily. Good acceleration. Throttle mapping feels very smooth. काफ़ी जैसा बाइक का throttle map होता है वैसा ही फील हो रहा है. Of course first service के बाद the scooter will get better obviously, and wind blast की protection भी काफ़ी decently मिलता है. I mean it deviates the wind a bit higher up here, and very smooth and very silent when you're not revving. आप rev नहीं करोगे तो बहुत silent है ये scooter. And the view also is very good. Feels very nice to look at everything, you know, the screen and all that. Get past this traffic. 122 kgs of curb weight, 8-liter fuel tank, more than the Activa and all the other ones. Of course, this is a premium sports scooter, so yeah, I mean you have to expect better things. Horn is all right. Okay, it's a scooty horn, but a bit slightly better. Brakes are very responsive, to be honest. Honestly, I have tested in the Aerox चलाई है मैंने काफ़ी, and then अभी TVS का मैंने review भी किया है Ntorq 150 का. Yeah, the Ntorq is more polished and more refined, to be honest. इसमें वो refinement lacking है थोड़ी बहुत, जो आप generally ढूंढोगे एकदम ultra refined. See, VLF is quite a famous brand outside of India, but India mein reputation is not that great, and because not a lot of people know VLF, to be fair. Oh god, that's a bad pothole I cannot take. the scooty from there. So what I will do is I will accelerate like that. Sitting position is comfortable, all things said, you know. Handling is decent. Yo, after like let's say 40-50 kilometers per hour की speed पे, this bike really wants to, you know, lift off and give you that shock value, and I appreciate that. It is quite a good performance one. See, I'm not really sure कि इसका brand का जो service है, आपकी जो reach है, हर जगह पे आपको मिलेगा कि नहीं. See, you get roadside assistance, RSA मिलता है आपको, but you don't know if really people are going to actually, you know, लाइक गिव यू RSA. अभी ट्रायम्फ का सीन हुआ था जहाँ पे वो बंदे ने मुंबई में RSA पूछा, ट्रायम्फ जैसी बड़ी ब्रांड ने, और उसका ऐसा इशू हुआ कि यू नो RSA अवेलेबल नहीं थी. सो आई कॉन्ट रियली गारंटी यू ऑन द रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ पार्ट्स एंड सर्विस एंड RSA रोड साइड असिस्टेंस, बट if you can live with it not being so reliable, the scooter is top notch, boss. Amazing. Like, yeah, I'm sitting on the scooter comfortably right now. And what acceleration? Yo, that guy was like, what the hell? He's like, what is that? What is that motorcycle? And then he sees it's a scooter. People are staring at the scooter, loving it. Yo, Jesus Christ! My goodness, that's some kind of performance you need on a scooter, boss. Yo, if you you guys really need to test this out. Like, आपको अगर इंटरेस्ट है ये स्कूटर में, आपको टेस्ट करना चाहिए गाड़ी को, because it is absolutely different and unique and nice. The traffic is insane, so I'm not gonna go on the highway because the traffic absolutely sucks. But yeah, performance wise it is pretty good. Top speed of 110 kilometers per hour. ऑल दो लोग 15 निकाल चुके हैं ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब पे. बिकॉज आई एम इन पुणे राइट नाउ और मैं हाईवे पे जा नहीं सकता, मैं निकाल नहीं पाऊँगा टॉप स्पीड, बट आई कैन से इज ईजिली गोज अबव 100, लाइक ईजिली. Honestly, I would like to test this scooter on the highway on a better day. Fit and finish is very good. Gets a lot of features. Keyless entry, keyless ignition. You get that beeper function जिसमें आप बीप कर सकते हो अपनी स्कूटर को कि कहाँ है आपकी स्कूटर. सेफ्टी बहुत अच्छी है. आपको ड्यूल चैनल ABS मिलता है, which is amazing on a 125cc scooter. Not a lot of people give that. And lot of things. You get traction control, which is right now off in the scooter, and without the traction control this scooter becomes absolutely beastly, absolutely insane. Yo, insane. Brakes pretty decently, you know, no issues with that. I think the braking is pretty good and powerful because you have this brake. Yeah, I think after like 4,000-5,000 RPM this scooter becomes a beast. It's like a twin cylinder sports scooter, right? Like a sports motorcycle. थोड़ी RPM तक chill रहती है, and then the bike just goes whoop, crazy, absolutely fucking crazy. Makes the Activa look like a bloody cycle.